very, very nice and very, very cheap.
Very, very good. £1 fish. Very, very cheap.
What's up, adventurers, and hello from the top of Dajti, or Dajti. We're still not too sure how to properly pronounce it, but we are on the top of the Dajti Mountain at the moment. We took the cable car up here and we're going to check this place out. Hope you guys like the video. Let's go on a journey.
But before we start the video, as always, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our travels. Let's go! So we made our way up to the top actually of a hotel here. We casually walked in and now we are here at the top bar. And this bar is actually turning really slowly and I didn't realize it, and Luke was kind of pointing at it and I was like, what the F? You know? And now I'm feeling like a little bit weird about this thing moving, to be honest. But we have an amazing view. Look at this.
We just went up to the panoramic bar that was on top of the Dajti Bellevue Hotel. Some experience, really cool. It's like 7 floors up and we're already really high up, so you had an insane view over Tirana. There seems to be a lot of stuff to do here as well. Basically the only reason we went straight into the hotel was because of how hot it is right now in Tirana and in Albania in general at the moment. It's 40 plus degrees. Yesterday it reached like 42 Celsius. For me being from Ireland and from Naomi being even from Germany, it doesn't get that hot. Very, very rarely. It never goes over 35 really in Ireland. So for me, I'm dying. I need like some AC and I need like water constantly. But yeah, there's lots to do here. They have like a mini golf course just in front of the hotel and you have a great view over the city as well. You can see the cable cars. It's the largest cable car trajectory in all of the Balkans as well, so that's something to note. And here you just have a lot to do, a lot to see. You have an adventure park, you have mountain biking, you can do paragliding, you can do anything you really want up here. So yeah, we're excited to check this place out. Let's do it. So I should mention the cable car. To get the cable car up and back, it's 1,000 lek. So that is around €8. Not bad, not bad at all. To get all the way up here and all the way back down, it's pretty far. So 1,000 lek, it's perfect.
Very close to the restaurant that we just had coffee at, you can find another restaurant directly here. But also what is a lot cooler about this place is that you have an amazing viewpoint. Check this out, guys. As always, we have a little bit of drone footage prepared for you in 3, 2, 1, let's go. met some Dutch people just there that went off the cliff to paraglide basically, and let me tell you something, it looks insane. It looks like so much fun. Would love to try that one day.
Yeah, it's a much more efficient way of getting back down.
I'd say you would be down in like no time and have the best views.
Yeah,
my god.
you know, it looked absolutely crazy. Yeah, definitely I would say if you're not afraid of heights like I am, give that a go.
100%.
What an experience. This place is very interesting, very unique, and definitely a must-see when you do come to Tirana in Albania. You have the hotel, you have the lounge bar, you have the Belvedere Hotel, the Dajti Tower as well, and then you also have the mini golf, you have the paragliding, and if you want as well, you can do mountain biking. You have an adventure park.
All right, so we are back in the cable car, as you can probably hear and see, back on our way into the city, and just wanted to give you like a quick small review of what you can do up there. So basically you can rent buggies if you want. There's a little bit of a shooting range as well, but I think with like less dangerous weapons, I'd say, where you can kind of shoot on balloons and cans and that kind of stuff. There's horse riding, you can do paragliding, there's hiking, everything you can imagine. It's so awesome up there, like really, really amazing. If you are ever in Tirana, you should definitely take a day, come up here and check this place out because it's so worth it.
Yeah, 100%. This is like, I think we were told anyways, it's like kind of the main tourist attraction when you do come to Tirana, and today we found out why. This place is spectacular. The views are incredible, unmatched. You can literally see for miles and miles. So if you do want amazing viewpoints, if you want an amazing restaurant as well where you can just sit and chill and have a coffee with those amazing views, definitely come and check this place out. Nice and reasonably priced as well for being so far up. Like, it only cost, as I said, 1,000 lek to get up and back as a return ticket. So that's absolutely perfect for what you're getting. Like, you're getting the views, you have unlimited amount of things to do. Like, you've got the paragliding, which we saw there, and that was just crazy to see how they just flew down towards Tirana, and they obviously had like a pre-selected landing point, but there's no way that I would do that. I'm terrified of heights. Like, even me sitting now in this cable car, I'm like shaking. But yeah, it's such a unique experience and 100% recommended for us to check out. Right now, we're on our way back to the city. We're actually going to go to a football game today. I believe Tirana is going to be playing Basel. So we've been invited to check out that football game. So that's why we're on our way back now to the city. That's going to be a separate video. We're going to record some footage from the game itself. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and make sure to turn on the post notifications as well for when we do post a new video, because as I said, the next video that we're going to have is going to be from a football game here in Tirana, and we can't wait to check that out. We're going to be going with an American friend of ours that we actually met in our hostel, and he just said, hey, I'm going to go to this football game, why don't you come along? And we were like, yep, let's do it. So spontaneous travel videos, that's the whole point of this, whole point of our channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're Nalu Adventures, and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that beautiful stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.